Hello everyone, welcome to Friendlish, a new way to learn English. How are you, my friends? Are you enjoying this beautiful rainy season? You know what, due to rain I couldn't upload my video last week, and that's why I took few days and I'm extremely sorry for that. But now I'm here again. This beautiful nature was calling me desperately and I was missing it very much. And that's why I'm here again among these beautiful green vegetations to shoot my video. So let's start. In this video, I'm gonna show you a very important chapter of English grammar. Yes, this chapter is easy, but my friends, full of confusion. Yes, this chapter creates a lot of confusion in our mind. So today it's time to learn about the two parts of sentence. Yes, the two parts are subject and predicate. Yes, my friends, these two parts are very important and you have to learn it initially. If you are a beginner, then this is the most important thing that you should learn first, because it will create a very fresh knowledge in your mind and that will help you to learn other things easily without any confusion. So now I'm going to tell you that this chapter is very easy. I know some of you may say that, sir, I have already done it before. I know it completely, but my friends, I'm telling you, after watching this video, you would definitely get something new and something different. Yes, I promise you that after watching this video till end, you would never be confused regarding this subject and predicate. So, are you ready for it? Let's start. As I said you before, if you have confusion, you can't be confident, right? Remember this line in your life very seriously. Whenever you are learning something, please make sure that you are removing all the doubts from your mind, okay? And during watching my videos, if you have any confusion, please go to the comment section and ask me about it. I will definitely help you to remove all the doubts from your mind completely, okay? So, let's talk about today's topic. A sentence contains basically two parts, subject and predicate. But in some sentences, we find a complicated structure and there we become confused. But initially, we will talk about structure of simple sentences, okay? And it will help you to understand the basic part of subject and predicate. Yes, my friends, so a sentence contains two parts, subject and predicate. If you want to understand subject properly, you should understand the definition, okay? So, if you talk about the definition, I would say that subject is the part of a sentence that is performing the action of the sentence. What I said? Subject is the part of the sentence that is performing the action of the sentence. Got it? Yeah, there's another way to find the subject, simple, very simple way. It's a trick almost. I'm gonna show you. If you have any short or longer sentence, a sentence of complicated structure, don't be confused. Don't be nervous. You just need to do one thing. First of all, find the verb and the verbal phrase of the sentence. And after finding the verb, you just need to make a question placing who before the verb. Got it? Means, if you have any sentence in your mind, just find out the verb and you need to make a question using who just before it. Means, if you have any question, any sentences like Virat plays very well, or Salman and Shah Rukh are making a film together. If you have these sentences in your mind, you can easily understand what I was talking about. You just need to make a question using who before the verbs that you have thought in your mind, that you have used in these sentences. Right? So if you talk about the first sentence, Virat Kohli plays cricket very well. In this sentence, plays is the verb, right? I know you have already found out that plays is the verb. And in the second sentence, are making, this is the verbal phrase. And you need to make question placing who before the verbs, right? Who plays very well? And the answer is Virat Kohli. Who are making films together? So, the answer that you are getting after asking question by using who, the answer is the subject of the sentence. Is that clear to you? The answer is the subject of the sentence. Like in the sentence, Virat plays cricket very well. Here the subject is Virat Kohli. Why? Because you have written who plays cricket well. And the answer is Virat. Got it? And who are making films? The answer is Salman and Shah Rukh. Yes, that's why this is the simplest way to find out subjects from any sentence. Is that clear to you? So now we will talk about predicate and other important parts. So let's watch till end. You have already learned to identify subjects in a sentence, right? But my friends, it's not over yet. There's another part that you should learn with subjects. Yes, this part is directly related to the subject. And in this part, I'm gonna show you the relation of subject with person and number. I know, my friends, that you have heard these names before, means person and number. But I'm gonna show you the exact relation of subject with these two things, means person and number. So let's talk about person. You know, person helps us to identify whether the subject is the speaker of the sentence or the addressee of the sentence or the others, right? Yes, my friends. According to it, we can divide person into three types. Yes, first person, second person, and third person. I know that you know this thing. When the subject is the speaker of the sentence, we would say that this subject is first person. For example, I and we. Yes, these two pronouns we use as first person subject. Got it? And when the subject is the addressee of the sentence, means the listener of the sentence, we would say that this is second person. The example is you. Yes, this pronoun you is considered as second person. Got it? So you have already learned to identify first person, means I and we, and second person you. Got it? And if you talk about third person, I would say this is easier. You just need to understand that apart from first person and second person, any other subject would be third person. Clear? Apart from first person and second person, means apart from I, we, and you, other subjects would be considered as third person. Clear enough? Now, I'm going to show you a chart where you will understand the relation of person with number. Clear? Yes, my friends, number. There are two types of number, singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. This is basic thing. We all know it. So this chart will help you to understand the actual nature of every subject. Okay? So we have found out that persons, first person, second person, and third person, and numbers, singular and plural. And this chart will help you to understand them together. Okay? Like here in this chart, you can see that at the very first position, there is first person singular, means I. On the other side, first person plurals mean we. Just next to it, second person singular, you, and second person plural, you. Yeah, this you same as you singular and you plural. They are considered same. Okay, and third person singular would be he or she, it, this, that, or any name. Okay, and plural would be like they, these, those, and any names that would be plural in number. Got it? This is a simple chart, and this chart will help you to understand all about subject, person, and number. Okay? After understanding this whole section properly, write down 10 sentences and find out the subject. Only the subject part. Don't talk about the predicate. Means after finding the subject, the rest part would be considered as predicate. Leave it out. Just take the subject, circle it, and find out whether the subject is first person or second person or third person, whether the subject is singular or plural. Clear? After doing it, you can send me through my WhatsApp. If you need it, you can go to the comment section. Okay? So thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something, and if you have still any confusion, you should ask me in the comment section. Okay? Thank you very much for your support. Please subscribe and share this video as much as you can. Okay? Thank you very much.